In this training video, we're going to talk about the basics of making a stage. So here we are when you log into the member site of stage.com and you go to the main menu up here at the top. When you click on Stages, you have a sub-menu right here. Now we have other training videos about the Ad Manager and stage groups that you'll probably find very helpful. Right now we're just going to go to My Stages, which is where I'm already at here, and it shows you a list of all the stages you've already made, if you've in fact already made some. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new stage from start to finish. So the first thing we want to do is click on Add New Stage, and we come to this page where the first thing you want to do is give your stage a title. Now I'm going to go with the humor theme. I'm going to try and get people interested in a funny video that I'm going to put on my stage, and then while I've got their interest watching this comedy, they're going to probably start letting their eyes wander around on the other parts of my stage and notice some banners that I'm going to put on there, and I'm going to direct those banners to my personal staged.com website so that I can increase my income here at stage.com. I also have other banners pointing to other things that I sell online and other business opportunities, and I'm going to stick some banners in there pointing to those websites as well. So what you want to do first is come up with some sort of title. Just something kind of obscure maybe. It's totally up to you what you think might catch someone's attention. And then you need the URL of the video. Now the Stage system supports all these different video types, videos from all these different sources. I actually went over here to YouTube and I found a funny video about this guy's stand-up comedy show. So just straight above the video in the address bar, that gives you the URL of this video. So I simply am going to copy that and come back in here into Staged and save it. Now the next thing you want to do is select the theme. So we've got this gray button here called to launch the theme chooser. So if you click that button, up's going to come all these different themes that you can pick from when making your stages, and you can just go from one theme to the next by clicking the arrows left and right. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. It's kind of that spotlight type theme, and so I think it goes well with a stage, with a comedy type stage. And so I'm going to select that one and then click the button to choose it, and then simply click the blue Submit My Video button. So now what we've got here is we've got the title that I've already created, and that's going to show up on my stage just above the video. And then we've got a place here where you can type in the description and the keywords, and this has to do with metadata, which I'm not going to get into in great detail, but basically it's been known that information that you can type in here for meta tags and keywords and so on helps your stage get better categorized by the search engines like Google, and it can help your stage get a better listing. Now, people can leave comments on your stages that you make. So when you have the public eye viewing your stage, they can leave comments just like you can over at youtube.com. If you want to pre-approve those comments before they can appear on your stage website, simply click this button. And every time you log in to the member site and you go to view your stage, it will tell you when you have comments that are waiting for your approval. And as soon as you approve them, then they appear on your stage. The next option is to auto video play. What this means is the minute your stage launches, the minute someone clicks the link and goes to view your stage, the YouTube video or the Yahoo video, wherever you got your video from, if you want it to automatically start playing, then select this option. Here is the stage active or not. That simply means, do you want to make your stage live on the internet, or do you want to take it offline temporarily for whatever reason? The other option here that we talked about this in the stage groups training video, if you want other miniature images of your stages, or we call them thumbnails of other stages, to appear on this stage that you're building, then you select that option. And we encourage you to watch the ad groups or the stage groups training video for more detailed information on that. Showing the affiliate banner. What this is at the bottom of your stage, there is a banner specifically for advertising your stage.com website. You can tick this box if you want that banner to remain appearing or to remain visible at the bottom of your stage. You can untick it if you would like to hide that banner. The next option we have here is the stage site theme, which we chose on the previous page. You can simply change it here if you would like. Now, the next option that we have is your ad groups. You can watch the training video about ad groups to get a better description of exactly, or a better understanding of exactly what that's about. But for the top of my stage, above the video, I have a banner that I've created, and I'm going to want to add that banner to here. Let's say it's Company A. That's a banner that I've created to advertise. I just called it Company A, for example, and I want that banner for Company A to appear above my video. Now, to the side of my video, I want a banner that I've created for Company B, and actually I'm going to we'll do that, Company B, and then the text ad appears below my banner. I'm sorry, below my video, and I want the text ad that is advertising Company C that I'm a part of, I want that appearing down there. And again, if you need to make your own custom banners, you can do that for free over at blastbanner.com, which is a free resource that we created to help you with your needs for banners. Down here you have Google Analytics. You can go over to google.com and you can get a free Google Analytics account, and there's some information down here that you can read. And Google Analytics basically tracks the activity of your stages, so you can see the traffic that's coming to them and where it's coming from and what that traffic is doing once it's on your stage. It's pretty amazing. So simply save your options that you've selected, and now you have your video ready to watch. And if we want to take a look at this video real quick, we'll see what it looks like. So you can see the title that I gave it right here, saying this is too funny. You'll also see that we have my banner for Company A that I created appearing up here. You'll also see, we'll pause this. If you remember, we selected the option to have this video play automatically, and so that's exactly what it does when the banner loads. We have the banner for Company B appearing down here, and we have the text ad for Company C appearing right here. Now, here is where you can your people can leave comments, or your viewers can leave comments. And remember, if someone clicks this link where it says click here to leave a comment, if they click that link and they submit it, you will be asked to approve that link before it appears right here. And it's pretty neat. Sometimes you'll have, when you've got stages getting hundreds or thousands of viewers, you'll see tons and tons of comments, and that's always fun to look at some of these stages with a lot of activity, getting a lot of comments. And then down here, if you remember, back in the stage options at the very bottom, we said yes to displaying that one ad that will drive traffic to your stage.com business website. So if your viewer were to click on this banner right here, it would take them to your staged website. Okay, and then we're going to jump back over into the staged member site. And something I want to show you here is that here is the stage we just created. It's called This Is Too Funny, and it's had 2 views so far, and we have it active online. Now, if we click on the name and we go back to the page where we have our stage options that we can choose from to change things up a little bit, I could choose different ad groups and so on. I could change the title if I wanted to. I could change my metadata if I wanted to. And if you don't understand the meta tags and all of that and the keywords, it's something that you really can just leave empty if you want to. It's not going to affect you a whole lot. Or I should say, it's not going to affect the success of your stage. Up here we have View Stage Statistics. If you click on this is quite a helpful tool. If you remember, I've got the Company A banner and the Company B banner. This is just a little tiny snapshot of a portion of the banner so I can remember what it looks like. You can see how we track the number of clicks, unique clicks that those banners have received, and you can reset that to 0 anytime you want. Any messages that someone leaves, you're going to see those messages here, and then you have the page statistics, the overall stats of your stage, at how many clicks that you've gotten in the last day, the last week, and the last 30 days, or the last month. And these are unique clicks and total clicks, because the same person could go back to your stage more than once. And so that's the statistics of your stages. And you have a stats page for every stage that you make. Now, the stage groups, if you're interested in learning how to group various stages together and the benefits of that, we encourage you to watch the stage groups training video. And then the ad manager, which helps you manage the advertisements, like I was showing you the various banners that we put up on our video called, or up on our stage called This Is Too Funny. If you use the ad manager, you can really easily manage which videos are appearing on your stage. You can even rotate videos on your stage. And what I mean by that is that, you know, the first time someone views your stage, you could have the company A banner rotate or appearing here and the company B banner down here. And then someone else views your stage and you have the company C banner over up here and the company A banner down here. And so you can rotate your banners, and if you've got, you know, 20, 30, 40 banners, you can rotate them, and then you can check the stats of those banners, and you can see which top banner, for example, is getting the most clicks. Is it the company A banner, the company B banner, the company C banner? And then you start to get an idea of which banners are more effective than others. And so that's it. Very simple, 9-step process to creating your stages. And again, there's no limit to the number of stages you can create. We hope you have fun with it. Please watch the other training videos for help on how to maximize your account with Stage.com. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.